Different testimonies that have come, most of them nailing Raj Kundra and could be used as evidence by the investigators. Remember, there have been actors, models and now a YouTuber have come out to, according to them, expose Kundra's dark and dirty business. There have been Shirley Chopra to Poonam Pandey. All of them are making some sensational revelations. They are claiming a direct link between Kundra and the adult entertainment business. But the woman at the center of a storm, this is important. There's a woman by the name of Gehna Vashisht, who used to allegedly shoot some of these films for Kundra's company. She has declared that there is a difference between erotica and pornography, and what they shot was not pornography content. Listen it.
Sleazy photo shoots, actresses lured for a break in Bollywood, and then porn videos uploaded on an app. This is Raj Kundra's dirty picture, and it is completely exposed now. Actresses Poonam Pandey, Shirley Chopra, Sagarika Suman, YouTuber Puneet Kaur. One after the other, these divas have hit out at Shilpa Shetty's husband, and the list is only growing. Believe it or not, both Poonam Pandey and Shirley Chopra were booked in the same pornography case for which Kundra is behind bars. Sources tell India Today that statements of Poonam and Shirley have been recorded, and they have made stunning claims against the businessman. Shirley allegedly had a contract with Raj Kundra's firm, Arms Prime Media, to provide pornographic content for some app-based companies outside India. She alleges she was promised 50% profit, which was never given. In February, she is alleged to have given a statement as to how Raj Kundra had pushed her into full-fledged porn. Poonam Pandey narrates a similar story as Shirley. She even moved Bombay High Court in 2019, filing a case against Kundra, alleging they used content featuring her even when the contract had been terminated, and even accused Kundra of leaking her phone number.
अगर राज कुंद्रा मेरे साथ ऐसा कर सकता है, मैं तो भी एक नॉन पर्सनालिटी हूँ, तो औरों के साथ क्या हो रहा होगा? मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, दरख्वास्त करूँगी उन सारी लड़कियों से कि आप प्लीज़ बाहर आएं, और अगर आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ भी हुआ है तो आप आवाज़ उठाएं।
A YouTuber called Puneet Kaur has also called out Raj Kundra. In her Instagram story, she says that Kundra had messaged her about his erotic app, Hot Shots. She ignored it, thinking it was spam.
You know where we're going. We're going to Hot's World, folks. Hot.
I don't think you said it right.
Hot's World.
Hot, it's Hot Shots.
No.
Do you know English?
Model Sagarika Shona Suman claims she was asked to give a nude audition for a video by Kundra's company.
मुझे वेब सीरीज के लिए ऑफर आया था, बट जब उन्होंने डिमांड किया कि आपको ऑडिशन देना होगा, तो मैंने कहा कि अभी कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, तो ऑडिशन कैसे, मैं वीडियो बना के भेज देती हूँ आपको। तो उन लोगों ने मना कर दिया था। जब उनका कॉल आया था तो वो लोग उन्होंने जो उनका पहला वर्ड था, उन्होंने कहा आपको न्यूड ऑडिशन देना होगा। तो मैं समझ चुकी थी कि वो लोग किस चीज़ के लिए डिमांड कर रहे हैं।
Serious allegations against Shilpa Shetty's husband, accusing him of sleaze. But there are some who have supported the tainted business tycoon.
मुझे राज ने कभी फोर्स नहीं किया। मुझे वही पेमेंट दी गई जो मैं डिजर्व करती थी, जिसके लायक थी मैं, और मुझे उससे कोई इशू नहीं थे। ठीक है, मुझे कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं था। मुझे कभी सेट पे कोई परेशानी नहीं की गई। मैंने बहुत अच्छे से काम किया है और बहुत अच्छे से फिल्म रिलीज किया।
Controversy queen Rakhi Sawant too backed Shilpa's husband.
राज कुंद्रा जी एक अच्छे बिजनेसमैन और एक समाज सेविका हैं, और वो बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. He's a legend.
So is Raj Kundra the director of this dirty picture? Kundra has denied any role, but the proof is mounting as more women are speaking out against Shilpa Shetty's husband. Bureau Report, India Today.